Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel AFR Architecture. For this video, I want to share some tips and tricks on how to do one-point perspective sketch. This video is an extension of the previous video, so for those who have never seen the video before, I recommend you to watch the video first. I will leave the link above or in the description below. So for making the easiest one-point perspective, we only need a pen, a thread or string, a scissor, and a tape. Without further ado, the first thing we need to do is cut a piece of thread. Don't be too short. As long as the thread can reach all of the edges of the paper, then we're good to go. Make one center point where we will make that point as our vanishing point. In drawing, vanishing point is the point at which lines appear to converge. It's a fundamental concept of composition and perspective drawing. The vanishing point may also be referred to as the direction point. Now, take the thread and tape it to the vanishing point. And now, we can draw lines in the direction of the thread. We make the bridge first, followed by the railing. Then we proceed by make the roof structure and the artificial lighting. Among these buttons, look for those that are bound with this big structure. Now we have prepared the draft lines, so we can proceed by creating the thickness of the structure. Like the step I shared in the previous video, we will use this 0.5 outline pen to highlight the structure. To make it more interesting, we can add some human figures. Don't forget to draw the circle as our frame using 0.8 outline. And here is the result. We managed to draw 1-point perspective correctly. I hope the steps I have shared with you will help you a little bit when you want to draw 1-point perspective. Please do support me by pressing the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I will see you again in the next video.